Coronavirus is a large family of viruses that can cause disease in animals or humans. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the recently discovered coronavirus. The new virus was not known until an outbreak broke out in Wuhan, China, in December 2019. Coronavirus is now a pandemic affecting many countries around the world. The most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and fatigue. Some patients may experience pain, nasal congestion, sore throat, or diarrhea. Coronavirus is transmitted from person to person, mainly through droplets that come out of the nose or mouth when the person coughs, sneezes, or talks. The droplets fall on objects and surfaces, such as tables, door handles, and handrails. People can become infected by touching these objects or surfaces and then touching their eyes, nose, or mouth. During the outbreak, many rumors circulated. 5G network will not transmit COVID-19. Viruses do not travel over radio waves or mobile networks. Exposure to sunlight and temperatures above 25 degrees Celsius does not prevent coronavirus. People have the risk of COVID-19 no matter what weather it is. Drinking alcohol does not protect against coronavirus. Frequent or excessive drinking can exacerbate health problems. Hot showers do not protect against coronavirus. No matter what the external temperature is, the normal body temperature is maintained between 36.5 and 37. A systemic spray of alcohol or chlorine does not kill the coronavirus. Spraying alcohol or chlorine can help disinfect surfaces, but can be harmful to clothing and your body. Several dogs and cats tested positive for COVID-19 after coming into contact with the infected person, but there was no evidence that these animals could transmit the disease to humans and play a role in the transmission of COVID-19. By taking a few simple steps, we can reduce our risk of COVID-19 infection. Kill the virus on your hands with frequent use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers or careful hand washing with soap and water. Keep at least 1 meter away from others to prevent inhalation of droplets and the virus. Avoid going to crowded places to reduce risk of contact with patients. Avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth. When coughing or sneezing, cover your nose and mouth with a bent elbow or tissue. If you have mild symptoms, isolate yourself at home. Seek medical advice if you have fever, cough, or difficulty breathing. And obtain up-to-date information from trusted sources. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.